I have a couple new Hello Kitty toys to share with you. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is these, which I got today at Big Lots. And they're Hello Kitty Fashions, and these are from season 1. And I've seen these for sale on eBay, and they're like really expensive. I mean, a lot of places charge like $10 for one used one. So when I saw this for only $5, I had to get it because that's a really good price. And you can see it has like the cow one, or I think that's a cow, maybe that's a sheep, we'll see in a minute, and the bunny, and I think maybe a third one, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to open it now so I can see exactly what's in it. And you can see the package, it looks like they had to tape it up, probably some kid like tore it apart or something. So, oh, that's on. It's hard to get open. There we go. And like I've said before, I am not a graceful toy opener, so I apologize for that. I'm like a little kid ripping into it at Christmas. So there's the, I think it's a sheep one. You see like the little things on its head? I think it's a sheep. And if you just heard that big thump, that was one of my cats probably running into the wall. But isn't it cute? And these ones are really squishy, but one thing I do like, they're not sticky, because the Frozen Fashions, the two that I've gotten, were sticky, which I really didn't like. So there's the, I think it's a sheep. And then we've got the bunny. I think the bunny's really cute. Out of the sheep and the bunny, I definitely like the bunny one better. So, and again, not sticky, which is really nice, but you know, they are nice and squishy and they're cute. And let me see if there is, okay, there's not one in here. I guess this is just an extra like container that they give you, because this is what they normally come in. So that's okay. I mean, that's not that big of a deal. $5 for 2 of them is still a pretty good deal. So I'm happy with that. Let me put those down. And then the other Hello Kitty toy that I thought I'd do today is from the McDonald's Hello Kitty promotion they're having right now. And this is the Hello Kitty Puzzle Keeper. And this is the first toy in the series I've gotten. And as you can see, I had already opened it. There's the instructions. And then I love this case. I'm definitely keeping the case. There's no doubt about that. And then you open it up and it has a little puzzle in here. And I'm not going to make you guys watch me put it together. But the pieces to the puzzle, I mean, they're pretty much your cheap, like, you know, dollar store puzzle. They're obviously not made too well, but what do you expect really from a Happy Meal toy? But, I mean, I'm sure that it'll go together probably okay. I mean, they're not really, really badly made. They're just cheaply made. But I'll probably actually throw the puzzle out because I don't really want that. And then this, I may use it to keep, like, I don't know, some of my Squinkies or Shopkins or things like that in it. So I definitely like this. This is a really cute toy, and it's one of the things that I've seen from the McDonald's Happy Meal promotion going on now that I really wanted, so I was happy this was the first one I got. The other one that I really want is the pencil topper, and we'll see if I get that one, and if so, I'm sure I'll probably put it in a video soon too. The rest of them, I want to get some of them, but we'll see. I don't want to eat at McDonald's like 3 or 4 times a week, so, and sometimes in the past when I wanted like all the toys in a promotion, I've done that, and I got so sick of McDonald's. And I'm sure lots of parents can relate to that when they've had to eat there like all the time to get their kids toys. And sometimes I've even gotten to the point where I was like, forget it, I'm just buying the toys, because here they'll let you just buy the toy if you don't want the Happy Meal. So sometimes I do that if I'm like, I do not want to eat McDonald's again. But that's all for this video. I hope you guys like these little Hello Kitty things. Hello Kitty is just something I adore, and I have so much Hello Kitty stuff. Someday I'll have to show you some of the other stuff I have that I haven't already done videos on. But I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, I hope you'll hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And all my social media links are in the description of the video. And I do fan funding, so if any of you ever want to donate to this channel to help make it better, that is always welcome and most appreciated. And I guess that's it for today, so I hope you all have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.